Novoline Interactive is the choice for casino operators who plan ahead. Server-based ready, this standalone solution can be connected to the Novoline VLT system via plug-and-play whenever you're ready for true downloadable and server-based gaming. Novoline Interactive allows you to design a future-proof gaming floor. Simply select the games that ideally meet the preferences of your guests at every location. It offers a vast range of gripping single games and sophisticated multi-game compendiums, which comprise all games available in individually color-coded categories: classic lines, multi-lines, power lines, fruits and specials for user-friendly player orientation. Furthermore, all games and categories are individually selectable per machine. What's more, operators can create an adaptive game offering based on the individual preferences of their guests, optimizing your gaming floor by grouping and arranging, activating and deactivating, and choosing from the best, all via the quick and easy to control operator menu. Players can choose from Novomatic's top video slot all-stars, best performing 20-line games, powerful 50-liners, fast-paced fruit games, as well as selected specials such as roulette, poker, or bingo games. Novomatic is right at the forefront of true server-based ready and server-based gaming, giving operators not just the ultimate in gaming floor flexibility, but also guaranteed future-proofing for those locations that aspire to full server-based gaming as a future objective, but are not yet ready or able to fully commit. For server-based gaming, Novomatic represents tomorrow's technology today with all the technological safeguards that operators need.